Good morning, friends. So it's the weekend before Christmas, and we have decided to come out here to the LBJ Grasslands for the weekend. We were going to meet several friends here, but a couple of people got sick and couldn't make it, so it's just going to be me and Vicky and our friend Leanna. She should be arriving soon. Looking forward to it. It's going to be a chill but fun weekend.
She's Lola. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
This place has changed a bit since last time I was here. They did a lot of prescribed burn, it looks like. This used to be pretty grassy and foresty, but I guess they do that to keep wildfires down, and that makes sense. Still a real cute place. There's all kinds of these little campsites all along this road. It's free of charge. So I am in my van trying to get things in order. It's amazing how quickly things can become a mess, but it is a small space, so it doesn't take that long to clean up either. But I wanted to show you something that I got in the mail from a friend of mine. Check this out. I got this from my friend Maggie. She goes by Hand Crafter Maggie on YouTube, and I just think it's so cute. This is a little coaster, and this is a little scrubby, and this is a wash rag, and she handmade these. I just love them. So they are going to live in my van from now on. It came in this really cool little bag. This is like a Tyvek type recycled bag, and it's just awesome. It's so cool. I know she made that too. So thank you, Maggie. Thank you so much. I love them, and they will come in very, very handy. You rock. Yep, time to get all this stuff put up so I can get out and just chill out, relax, play with Kangaroo. Hopefully Leanna will be here soon. I hope she doesn't get lost. It's kind of confusing out here. What do you think of this place, Rue? Will it do for the weekend? Heck yeah, it's outside, isn't it? He just loves it out here. Oh, Vicky's in the spirit of Christmas. Oh, yay. Leanna made it. Here she comes. See how she wants to pull in here. Look at her drive that thing like she stole it. There he is.
That was fun.
Hi, Dexter. How are ya?
Hi. Happy Christmas.
You.